Third quarter, guys. Amigos versus MGP Electrical.
Okay, start for third quarter. Martinez now to Jose Pedro. A kick from violation by Gamarles. Paging no way. Zaragoza ay kalabing. On the local ground deliver. Looking for receiver to Martinez. Inside pass to Salazar. To Bacoy, no good. And high body Martinez to Santos. Pulsanos now. Inside pass to Llamas. Llamas now. To Cabarles, right? Cabarles inside. To De Los Santos. And high body Bacoy. Bacoy now. Tuloy-tuloy. Wala pa rin. And bago mo na rin. Dahil pa rin Llamas. Llamas now. To De Los Santos. De Los Santos now. Alas by two defender. To Llamas. Llamas now against Martinez to Martinez. 10-second shot clock. Martinez inside pass to De Los Santos. Yes! By De Los Santos. E natapisan ang kalabangan ng MGP Electrical. 5 points na lang hinahabol. O Niloco. 10-second shot clock. 9. Martinez Rodrigo good. High-running Cabarles to De Los Santos. To Llamas. Yes! Llamas. To yes by Regala. What a move by Regala. And Martinez now. Alas by Odiloco. Alas by Martinez. Martinez by to Martinez. To Cabarles. Cabarles. Pull up and what a defense. Coming from Salazar and nakuha ni Regala. To Odiloco. Backpass to Martinez. And there's a foul. Colon. Nabubu. Martinez wala. 56. Martinez. First personal foul. Colon Martinez ng Amigos. And Martinez awarded the two. Just to throw. First throw. Take pass. Second goal by Mr. Martinez. Yes. Seven minutes and 27 seconds remaining. To Martinez. Martinez now to Llamas. Block two. Wala. Nakuha ni De Los Santos. Ay, wala pa rin. And pag-muli mo nakuha ni Regala. Regala. May ball and offensive foul. Ang naitawag kay Mr. Regala. First personal foul. Colon Regala. First team foul para sa MGP Electrical. Llamas to De Los Santos legs. De Los Santos blood. Yes! What a nice move by De Los Santos. Regala to Bacoy. Bacoy now. And Los Santos na rin. Ang offensive foul ang naitawag kay Mr. Bacoy. Second personal foul, Colon Bacoy. Second team foul, MGP Electrical. Llamas now to Martinez. Martinez and steal by Bacoy. Pass to Odiloco. Yes! By Odiloco. And is that a foul? Abang got a foul. Second personal foul, Colon Niloco. Third team foul, MGP Martinez to Martinez. Martinez now. Martinez pass to Lusantos forward in front of Matalibog. Cover ni Regala. Regala now against Lusantos. Regala kumuloy na ba? Yes! Regala and Lusantos to Cabarles. Cabarles pass to Lusantos. Nakitawa na bola and the step is referee. A turnover, last touch. Stepping on the line by Mr. De Los Santos. ABC Amigos. Regala lang Luis Carne. Regala. Inside pass to Bago. Yes! What a play! Napakagandang pasa. Regala to Bago. And De Los Santos now. De Los Santos. Sunod. Viva Vincent. Yes! De Los Santos. 5 minutes and 56 seconds remaining. Regala lang the leader. Regala looking for receiver to Martinez. Martinez now. And good defense by Rosales referee. And turnover. Ball up. ABC Amigos. Still, Diego. Rosales to Martinez. Martinez to Cabarles. Yes! Carrying the lead to only 6 points. Regala now. Regala penetrates. Yes! Beautiful finish by Regala. And the Santos now. Harassed by two defender. And that's touch by Martinez. 16 second shot clock para sa ABC Amigos. Llamas, papas to De Los Santos for 3. Desabal! May sumabit. Sino sumabit? Number 29, Martinez. First personal foul for Martinez. And De Los Santos awarded 3 chances of throw. Warning for penalty, MGB Electrical. First throw, Teligpasan. Kung sila Teligpasan, ayaw lang ang burong pautan. Second throw, tigpas na naman. Third throw by Mr. De Los Santos. Yes, hindi babayag si De Los Santos. And pass by pass to Regala. Regala now. Relax lang daw, sabi ni Regala. Regala now, looking for receiver to Martinez. Martinez now. Martinez, yes! 3 points, Martinez. 4 minutes and 43 seconds remaining to Martinez. To De Los Santos, to Cabarles. Tumila ng press, pabaho, wala. May galing baboy to Rosales. Jericho Rosales, nagkakaroon ng bola. To Salazar, get away, yes! By Salazar. Coach Tama. Now, and still by Rosales. And nabitawan lang Rosales. Pero nice defense by Rosales. To Santos. De Los Santos now. As by two defender at may sumabit and a pushing foul. Colon Rosales. Substitution sa referee. Manline up. Martinez coming in. Warning for graduation, Mr. Rosales. Mr. Jericho Rosales. Warning po. Penalty na kayo, penalty. Penalty na, yung mga warning ba kanina? Warning. Warning po penalty kanina. Third quarter pa lang. Substitution. Rosales out. Onilonggo coming in. No. May Los tigbas na naman. Inaalat ngayon si Mr. De Los Santos. Last throw. Jumpers, Mr. Ready. Second throw. Yes. 53 against 64. Martinez. Martinez now. And last touch by Regala. 4 minutes and 2 seconds. And Santos inside. Yes, yes. By Reyes, as well as the Halos Reyes. And Regala now. Regala. Penetrating. May sumabit. Sino sumabit? Mr. Ray. Unsportsmanlike foul. Number 55. Unsportsmanlike foul on De Los Santos. Two shots plus ball position para sa MGP Regalo. No jumpers po, no jumpers na no, no jumpers. Jumpers, mangyari po ako, may technical play po na. Two shots plus ball position. Second personal foul, De Los Santos. First throw. By Regala. Yes. Second throw by Mr. Regala. No good. And same ball para sa MGP Regal. Against 65, 10-point lead na po ang inahabol. Inside pass to Regala. And still by De Los Santos and by foul. Galing kay Mr. Regala. Second personal foul, Colon Regala. Penalty was referee and De Los Santos awarded the 2 penalty blows. First throw by De Los Santos. Ay, ay, ay! Inaalat talaga. Second throw by De Los Santos. Wala na naman. Bago na rin nabuha ni Brocoy. Onilonggo to Martinez naman. Nabuha ni Martinez. Martinez now to Cabarles. Yes! Cabarles. 3 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. Onilonggo now to Regala. Regala now to finish kanya ng bola. Signal sa kanyan. To Ay! Nice steal ni Reyes. Reyes na, tumakbo. Reyes and beautiful block by Regala. Grabe ang depensa ni Mr. Regala. 2 minutes and 59 seconds for our third quarter. And still, by Martinez. And galing over ni Cabarles to Martinez. Martinez now to De Los Santos and to De Los Santos. Yes! What a beautiful top pass from Reyes to to De Los Santos. And Unilongo now. Dumidiskarte. Unilongo. Unilongo. Nice to De Los Santos. Nice to De Los Santos. And now with Reyes. Reyes to Reyes. Yes! Calimalito. Only moments for Regala. Regala now. And instead was the referee. Single. A beautiful play by Regala.
Tingnan ako niya.
Two minutes and 80 seconds. Regala na ang body. Looking for receiver to Nilongo. O Nilongo to Martinez. Tumira ng press. Mites na umuwali. Martinez. To Reyes. Reyes now. Let's go. Yes! And there's a foul. Touchdown. FGB Electrical. Yes. Tigpas and Batu Balikan. Jump ball. Alabasu FGB Electrical. Yes. Sa play through line, Bayano, masih melalui dengan player. Anela. Turun Bayano. Set keribu. Bisa keribu. Anela. Set keribu. Okay. Two minutes remaining. Onilongo to Regala and my ball. Galing who's ball is referee? Number 55. Aiden Santos. Third personal foul for Aiden Santos. 13 pa pala. Aiden Santos out. Manlagit coming in. Third pa lang, third. 13 foul para sa ABC Eagles. Regala to Onilongo from the free throw line. No good. And high bowling Martinez. Martinez now to De Los Santos. De Los Santos now. Alas kay Onilongo. To Reyes. Reyes now. And still. By Regala. Regala. Yes! Pinasiguro talaga. Ni Regala. 1 minute and 25 seconds remaining. De Los Santos now. Alas kay Regala. Munting na mga agaw. And Reyes now. To De Los Santos. Ay! And last touch. Substitution was the referee. Cabarles out. Yes, coming in. De Los Santos now. Unti ka naman makagaw. De Los Santos pull up. Yes! Long two by De Los Santos. 1 minute and 7 seconds remaining. Wala ang alamangan. 1 minute remaining. Martinez inside pass to Cortez. Cortez! Wala and high balling malaki to Reyes. Puyama Sayay! Martinez for Regala. Regala na po server. Pinagpasan. Ano ba? Wala ba ni Regala? Wala ba rin? Palabaras! Wala! And the overplay. Martinez. Martinez! Yes! What a play! Grabe si Martinez! Grabe si Martinez! Martinez na naman! Wala! And high bowling Martinez. 20 seconds. Martinez now. Penetrates to one line. Yes! 10, 12 seconds remaining. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it for third quarter. Score 69 against 67 na ibaba sa dalawang kalamangan ng MGP